Hello, my dear children. Warm wishes. Our today's topic is Unit 2 Supplementary Jim Corbett, a hunter turned naturalist. This supplementary is about a person named Edward James Corbett, who is popularly known as Jim Corbett. He was a British man. He was a wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. Now, let us know what does it mean one by one. Who is a wildlife photographer? A person who takes photos of the wild animals and the wildlife. Hunter, one who hunts the animals. Tracker, a person who installs transmitters on animals and observes its movement. Naturalist, a person who studies or is an expert in natural history, especially a zoologist or botanist. Who is a writer? A person who writes, especially one whose job is to write. So now, this man about whom we are going to study is a British man. He was a wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and a writer. Being a hunter, he has hunted many man-eating tigers and leopards in India. He also had a lot of experience with tigers and other wild animals to capture videos with his cine film camera. The specialty in him is he always prefers to hunt alone and on foot. He never wishes to use vehicles, and he used to take his dog named Robin along with him for hunting. Though he was an expert hunter, he admired wildlife and did not kill wild animals for pleasure or sport. He kills only the man-eating tigers or leopards. That too, he killed them only to save people from them and only at the request of the government. In fact, he felt sad to kill animals. He often said that not against the law of nature but against the law of human. According to the theory of Jim Corbett, a tiger starts eating human when it grows old or when it gets hurt. As the tiger gets older or gets hurt, it will find difficult to run longer or faster. So, it will try to find its prey which runs slower. Obviously, only a man runs slower than any other prey. And once if it tastes human flesh, it will never eat any other flesh of animals. Those tigers will be called as man-eaters. Jim Corbett's first man-eater tiger hunt was the Champawat tiger. It was a Bengal tiger which killed nearly 436 people in Nepal and Kumaon area of India. The attack of the tiger have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records. She got killed in 1907. In the next stanza, they have described about the man-eater tigress. What is meant by tigress? Yes, a female tiger is called as a tigress. The tigress began to attack people in a village named Rupal in western Nepal, Himalayas. Hunters and Nepalese army tried to kill the tigress, but she escaped from them and went across the border into India. She began killing people in the Kumaon district. Henceforth, people around that area stopped going to forest to collect firewoods, fruits, roots, and other things. They were afraid even to come out of their huts and go to their works. Finally, the British government requested Jim Corbett to help the villagers. So, Jim Corbett camped in Kumaon district and started tracking the tigress. It was a bit difficult task for him. So, Jim Corbett camped in Kumaon district and started tracking the tigress. It was a bit difficult task for him. He had several attempts. At last, he killed the tigress when it killed a 16-year-old girl in the village near Champavat. Yes, with the help of 300 villagers and the permission of the Tahsildar of Champavat. A bait was organized near the Champa river and Corbett shot the tigress dead near the Chattar bridge in Champavat. A cement board was erected marking the place where the tigress was killed. Whenever an animal is being killed by the intimation of the government, the dead animal's body will be post-mortem, such as that the tigress body was also sent for the post-mortem. The post-mortem report showed the upper and lower canine teeth on the right side of the mouth were broken, the upper one in half, the lower one right down to the bone. He would have lost this tooth in an old gunshot from a game hunter and escaped from being killed, and must have resulted in her natural prey and started hunting humans. Jim Corbett was always against game hunting. He strongly argued that deforestation and human encroachments were the main reasons for the disturbances of wild animals to human. Hope you know what is deforestation and human encroachments. Yes, it is cutting up of large number of trees from the forest, and encroachments means people cut off trees in the forest and construct homes for them to live in. This happens even near the water sources such as rivers, lakes and ponds. He went on lecturing to us to educate the people about their natural heritage and the need to conserve forest and their wildlife. He promoted the Association for the Prevention of Game and the All India Conference for the Preservation of Wildlife. He played a key role in establishing India's first national park in the Kumaon Hills, the Hailey National Park in Uttarakhand, India. It was initially named after Lord Malcolm Hailey. Jim Corbett died on 19th April 1955. The park was renamed in 1957 as the Jim Corbett National Park. It was named after him to honor his role in establishing this protected area in 1930s. This is all about this supplementary. Hope you understood who is Jim Corbett and his excellence in hunting the man-eaters.